Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss how we can create a random quiz in learning management system. A random quiz means there are two sets of questions. For example, one set is having 20 questions and second set is having 20 questions, and you want to make a quiz of 10 marks of 10 questions. You can randomly select 5 questions from each set. So, let us begin. Now, when you come to your dashboard, that is your subject, for example, automobile engineering in my case, what you have to do is go in settings. In settings, turn editing on. So, here already my editing option is on. So, you can come at the activity icon, that is add activity or resource, click on that. A new window will open wherein you have the options. So, here you have to select quiz. Okay. When you select the quiz, click on add. Okay. Now, I will name this quiz as auto quiz 1, for example. Okay. So, auto quiz number 1. So, if you want to add some description, it is up to you, you can add it here. Again, timings, you can schedule the quiz from and to. The quiz will start at this time, it will end at this time, and you can give the time limit also, for example 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. So, that is up to you. Next, grading, then layout. In layout option, on one page, how many questions should be displayed? So, 1 question, 2 questions, 3 questions. So, that is up to you. Again, I will select 3 questions per page. Again, in question behavior, the default option here is shuffle within the questions. So, that is yes. So, that is all. You have to go on save and return to the course. Click on save and return to the course, and your quiz is ready. Okay, but there are no questions in the quiz. Okay. Now, to add the questions in the quiz, there is a format. Now, I will show you the format. When you so what I have done, I have already prepared the MCQs in Word format. Okay. So, in Word format, those MCQs are like this. So, this is the question, this is the question, option A, B, C, D, without space, the answer, correct answer is D, 1 space, and the question again A, B, C, D, E, correct answer is D, and likewise. Now, when you save this quiz, this Word file, you will have to select the option save as, select the path or the folder, and the type you want to save this quiz will be the plain text format. Okay. So, first you are preparing the quiz in the Word format, but you save it as a plain text, right. So, in my case, I have already have 2 sets of quizzes in plain text format, that is MCQ set 1 and MCQ set 2. So, these 2 formats are already ready with me. Now, when I return back, now in this case, when I return back to my main, that is quiz, but here first I have to prepare 2 categories, that is the 2 sets of questions, and I have to add those 2 sets in my question bank. So, again go on this settings icon, click on more. Okay. In course administration, go in question bank, and in question bank I will go in categories. So, here what I will do is the first category I will make this as MCQ set A. Okay. Add category. Again, I will make the next category, that is MCQ set B add category. Now, these two categories are created. So, MCQ set A, it is having 0 questions, MCQ set B, it is having 0 questions. Now, I have to add questions in this sets. So, I will click on import, right. So, in import, so you can select the file format as the Akin format. In general settings, now in general settings, what you have to do, you have to select the set in which you have to add the questions. So, in my case, so first I will add the questions in MCQ set A, okay, and I will drag and drop the file here. You can see this drop down option is there. So, I will select the set 1 plain text format. I will drop it here in set A and I will say import. So, you can see 16 questions from that set 1 are imported. Okay. Click on continue. So, all these 16 questions are added in set A. You can see MCQ set A, there are 16 questions now. Previously it was 0. Now, again I will click on import, right. Again I will select the file format as the Akin format. Again in general, that is the general settings. Now, this time I will select MCQ set B. Okay. Now, the next set of MCQ file which I have already prepared, that is MCQ set 2, I will drag and drop here. Drag and drop means I will add those sets of, that is the questions in set B. The questions are added in set B. Now, I will say import. Okay. Now, in this set there are 12 questions. Okay. So, 12 questions are added. I will say continue. So, you can see 12 questions are added here, right. Now, when I again go in category, here you can clearly see now MCQ set A, there are 16 questions, MCQ set B, there are 12 questions. Two sets are ready. Okay. Now, I have to create a random quiz. So, I will go in my subject, that is Automobile Engineering Division B, right. Now, here in Auto Quiz 1, I have to add the questions now. So, I will click on Auto Quiz 1, right. So, it is saying no questions are added yet. So, we will add the questions now. So, click on Edit Quiz. Okay. Now, in Edit Quiz, when you click, you can see a new window is opened. Here, click on Shuffle. So, shuffle means it will shuffle the questions randomly, and here you will have to in this icon down triangle. Okay, there are 3 sets: a new question, from question bank, and random question. So, what I will do is I will select the random question, right. So, what I will do is in random questions. So, here you can see there are the category icon is activated here. So, what I will do, there are 2 sets ready with me. Now, I will select the first set in which there are 16 questions. So, I will select this set, right. So, this set is selected, but number of random questions. So, from 16 questions, so please remember I have to make a quiz of 10 marks. So, 10 questions. Again I repeat, my quiz will be of 10 questions, out of which 5 questions I have to select from set A, but set A has 16 questions, right. So, randomly it will select any 5 questions. So, here number of random questions from this set A. I want how many numbers? 5 numbers. I will click on 5 and add random questions. Click on add random questions. Right. Now, you can see here in this editing quiz, auto quiz 1, you can see random MCQ set A. So, how many questions randomly will appear from set A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from set A. But set A has how many number of questions? 16. Okay, the marks are 1 each. Right. Now, but I want to select 5 questions from set B also. Right. So, again I will go on add. I will go in the random question category. Now, this time what I am going to do is I will select MCQ set B, which is having 12 questions. Click on that. Now, again from this set I want random 5 questions, any 5 questions. So, number of random questions, here I will select 5 numbers, right. So, the meaning is what? From MCQ set B, which is having total of 12 questions, any 5 random questions will appear in the quiz. So, again I will click on add random questions. Now, you can see this quiz is of 10 questions, you can see 1 to 10, but from set A how many questions will come? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 random, and 5 questions from set B, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, right. So, it will randomly select the questions from set A 5 questions and from set B 5 questions, it will be random. Now, that is it. You have to click on save. Once you save it, your quiz is ready. Okay. Again click on auto quiz 1. Okay. You click on auto quiz 1. Here you can see now the preview quiz is ready. So, if you want to preview the quiz, you can click on the quiz. Now, see, there are 10 questions in this quiz, 1 to 10. On each page there are 3 questions, right, and out of this 10 questions, from set A there are 5 questions and from set B there are 5 questions, and that is again random. It is random, the system will select it by itself. So, I will just attempt this quiz randomly. Okay. So, these questions are random now from those 2 sets. So, the 2 sets is having total number of questions as 28, but out of 28 any 10 are have appeared. Now, see, this question number 4 is from set B, this question number 5 is from set A, because I know that. Again this question is from set B. Again I will randomly attempt this quiz. Okay. And you can click on. So, this is the preview of the quiz. Okay. Finish attempt. So, okay. Submit all and finish the test. Okay. So, you can see here I have got 2 questions are right and others are wrong. So, this is how the quiz is. You can preview the quiz, and a random quiz is created in the learning management system. So, thank you everyone.